Hello everyone, welcome to JAR channel again. We're going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow. There are many ways to cook Chinese soy sauce chicken. Let's try to make this homemade easy style. Just need some dark soy sauce and Chinese roast rice, and some seasonings. Of course, a nice chicken too. Hope you like it. For ingredients, we need 1 chicken, shallots and ginger, soy sauce and dark soy sauce, water, slab sugar and rock sugar, and some Chinese roast rice. First, slice shallot and ginger for later use. Now, we clean the chicken and cut off the chicken legs first. Then, we use 1 tablespoon of salt to massage and rub the whole body. Then, wash thoroughly with running water, especially inside the tummy. Now, drain and then whip dry. After that, coat the chicken body and belly lightly with Chinese roast wine. Then we put some green onion and ginger inside the chicken. Now we can put the chicken aside. In the meantime, once the pot is heated, add some oil. Then saute the shallots and ginger. Then add the light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, water, and slab sugar. Boil it for another 10 minutes. Now, add the rock sugar and mix well. And now, we put the chicken in. Because this is a half-dip method, we'll have to turn the chicken once every 5 to 8 minutes. Remember to use medium heat when cooking the chicken. And the whole cooking time is around 30 to 40 minutes. And of course, it depends on the size of the chicken. Cover the lid for around 8 minutes each side. It helps to cook more faster. When cooked for around 30 minutes, fork the chopsticks on the thick chicken thigh. If there is no blood oozing out, it means it is cooked. Now let cool, then you can cut into pieces. Before you eat, heat the chicken sauce and spread it on the chicken. Then you're ready to go. And the excess sauce can be saved with the chicken wings and other dishes next day. It's so yummy. Just to comment below for your trial. If you like this yummy soy sauce chicken, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video advance. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a nice weekend.